Are you seeing we're having trouble making sure it's you error on PayPal? Here's how to fix it safely. This is a common security check, not a ban. It usually appears when PayPal detects unusual login activity. Logging in from a new device can trigger it. Using a different location or network can also cause this. VPNs are one of the biggest triggers. Let's solve it step by step. Turn off any VPN before logging in. Use your regular home internet instead of public Wi-Fi. Choose the text message verification option if offered. Check your email for a verification link. Clear your browser cookies and try again. The mobile app often works better than the website. Make sure your PayPal app is updated. A simple restart can reset connection issues. Sometimes PayPal asks for identity confirmation. Uploading your ID usually solves it quickly. You may also be asked for a selfie verification. This confirms you're the real account owner. Try logging in from a device you used before. Using the same browser helps PayPal recognize you. If you tried too many times, wait 24 hours. Security locks often clear automatically. Resetting your password can refresh security checks. Use a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication for future logins. This makes PayPal trust your account more. Make sure your phone number and email are current. Outdated info can trigger verification errors. If nothing works, contact PayPal support. Live chat is usually the fastest option. Phone support works best for locked accounts. They can manually verify you. Never log in through random links or emails. Always use the official PayPal site or app. Scammers often copy this error message. So here's the safe fix checklist. Turn off VPN. Use normal internet. Verify identity. Reset password and update app. And contact support if needed. These steps fix the issue for most users. You should regain access quickly. Remember, this error protects your account. It means PayPal is preventing unauthorized access. Once verified, everything works normally. I post simple guides like this every week. Subscribe so you don't miss future fixes. Comment if this worked for you. And like this video to help others find it. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.